that we see. And what this is looking at spreads and yield degradation from our model at different lending levels. At a high level, what this chart is showing is that as you move down in structure, there's relative value further out in Tier 3 markets, which in this case, Tier 1 are defined as the 6 markets described earlier. Tier 2 are the next 15 largest markets, and Tier 3 are the next 33 largest markets to make up the 54 largest markets in the U.S. As you move down in structure, move further out in terms of moving away from the primary markets, there is relative value today in terms of spread per unit of yield degradation. And historically, lending at the bottom of the cycle has been a relatively attractive proposition in terms of where spreads are as well as future default rates. And so that really caps off kind of what I have for in terms of formal remarks. I don't know if there are any questions or if we want to turn it over to Martin.
I do have a question here for you, Mark. I see a lot depends on LIBOR because, as you pointed out, there so many of the loans are tied to LIBOR on an adjustable basis.
Yes.
Do you have any prognosis for LIBOR over the next few years, or the volatility of it?
I mean, personally, our shop view is probably stays pretty low through 2013 and then begins to see an increase. My personal opinion is it'll probably continue to stay very low for a much longer period than that. I think, just with the amount of debt in the system and as they're trying to sort of take us through the deleveraging cycle, I think that's kind of the path that's been chosen as opposed to a flush of the system similar to the RTC last time we've seen